Hey guys, another month, another new feature. So this one, I'm particularly excited about because this is a new reporting that we have based on the ASINs and ISBNs. So if you want to see reporting on the ASIN levels to make sure that your ACOS is within the levels of that particular ASIN, right? I mean, it's kind of tough to do that, see that in your Amazon advertising console. What you need to do to download is like a advertise by product report, and yeah, it's you just have to go through all that and aggregate it. But with SellerMetrics, you could all see all that within your dashboard, right? For example, in here, I have a few ASINs, right, and I could see their ACOS, right, directly. So it's like so your ACOS sales is attributed directly to your ACOS, right? This allows you to see on a very granular level, right, which ACOS has like a high or low ACOS, conversion rate, cost per click, etc. So you could see everything on a granular ASIN level. And further, what makes this even more amazing, right, is that you could also see what campaign that you're advertising for that particular ASIN. For example, I could click on this campaign toggle. I could see, right, all the information here, all the campaigns that advertise against this ASIN, right? See the metrics for this particular campaign. Another great use for this is audit, right? So you could also see whether you have the same campaign type, right? Advertising for the same ASINs, right? So you don't have to duplicate the same campaign. For example, if you have one sponsored product keyword targeting type campaign, right? You just probably want one campaign of that type to advertise against that ASIN, right? This is a really good way for you to audit things out to minimize the duplication in your Amazon PPC structure, right? And on top of the campaign levels, you could also toggle the ad group levels, right? So you see the levels under the campaigns, the ad groups that constitute the higher level ad groups, and you can see which ad groups are doing poorly relatively to others, right? A asterisk to this is that we're only capturing this for sponsored display and sponsored product data. Right now, sponsored brand data for this level of granularity is not available yet. So when Amazon released that type of data, we will update this into the dashboard as well, right? So the same thing applies as the other screens. You could toggle, right, based on clicks on a high level, right? Just say anything that's larger than 10 clicks. Right, and then you can see that your clicks is just basically anything that is larger than more than 10 clicks. Right. And then you could select it also by its particular marketplace or account. Don't think I have anything for Canada. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So play around with this. If you have any questions about the screen, the data that comes out of this this function, this new reporting, don't hesitate to message me in this bottom right widget right here.